Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you're fine with the grace of the Almighty God. So, students, as you know that we have already started the explanation of the chapter, that is chapter 11, and our topic of the chapter is live in harmony. As you know that I have already taught you the story time, and also we came to know about the introduction of the chapter. We have already discussed about the water pollution, land pollution, then air pollution. Now we will go to discuss. Before discussing the air pollution, we know that air is very required for us. Without air, we cannot survive. Okay, you can think if the fan is not there in your house or AC is not required also that much. If the fan is not there, what will happen? You'll feel very hot, right? You'll feel very hot. Yes, in the summer days you'll feel very hot and you cannot leave it properly also because you. So air is very important. Okay, it is very for the, you can say, for taking breath also, for keeping us cool also. But there is a, if suppose in the air only, if there's suppose so much bad smell will come, so much gas will come, what will happen? You cannot take a breath. No, that time what will happen? You will be like means just putting handkerchief on your nose. Yes. So some, so ears, it is a good for us also, it is bad for us also. When it is bad, when this air will get mixed up with the other gases. If suppose neighbor your house, okay, someone is burning the plastic, okay, neighbor your house, someone is burning the plastic, then what will happen? That time you'll be means closing the windows, doors. Why? This that air should not get in your house, because that time what will become? You will be unable to take the breath properly. See how that does the pollution cause. This is only called air pollution. The contamination, in the simple I will teach you, is that the contamination or mixture. What is the meaning of the contamination? Contamination means the mixes of the other gases, the contamination of the other gases. Okay, when the other kind of gases other than the oxygen, okay, means mixed up with the air and causes harmful effects to the human being, that is called what? Air pollution. Okay, that is called what? Air pollution. Next we will go with that topic. Very, I will read that chapter. Okay, I will read it, then I will explain it. Next, you can see is that air pollution is a both man-made and natural. There are two types of air pollutions are there. That is man-made air pollution and the natural air pollutions are there. Okay, so air pollution is a both man-made and natural. The major cause of the air pollution is use of the fuels in home, factories and vehicles. You see, what is the main cause of the air pollution? So man-made, if you say the fuel, like you can say petrol. When you burn the petrol, kerosene, what will become? Smoke will come, right? Smoke will come, and this smoke only will get mixed up in the air, and as a result, will be unable to take the breath. Okay, this is a very harmful effect of the air. So what is that? So this releases gases such as carbon dioxide, sulfur oxide, okay, carbon monoxide in the air. As a result, we are unable to take the breath. Poisonous chemicals are released through the smoke that comes out from the various factories. We are like when the poisonous gas, okay, when the poisonous gas is released from the factories, whenever you see the factories, then you can see that the factories are always emitting, always releasing black color of gas, okay, black color of smoke. Gas also you can say, or smoke also you can say. Okay, smoke, they're releasing black smoke. As a result, this black smoke, what happens, get mixed up with the air, and we are unable to take the breath. Okay, so poisonous chemicals are released through the smoke and come out from the various factories also. Okay, the same thing happens when we burn the firecrackers also. The same thing will happen when we burn the firecrackers. What will happen? That the means that time when the firecrackers will burn, that time maybe the boys and the girls both are enjoying so much, right? That the firecrackers, the sound of the firecrackers will enjoy so much. But the firecrackers causes what? It causes harm to the environment also. Like it will be sound pollution will be there. Okay, then air pollution will be there, right? Now suppose if you say about any kind of firecrackers, it is causes what? Air pollution. But the we enjoy to means burn the firecrackers, but we should what? Stop burning firecrackers. We should protect the environment. We should think of protecting the environment. In this way, we are just ending our own life, also the human, other animals' life. See, the natural causes of the air pollutions are forest fires are there, sandstorm, volcanic eruptions also there. These are the natural causes of the air pollution. Okay, and pollen grains of the flowers and the plants can cause the air pollution as well. You see, there are, you can say that now suppose there are some means plants, okay, which are dead plants, which are no longer alive. Now that will be what, so from that smell will come out or not, smell will come, because insects, rodents will sit on that. Okay, the leaves will get decay means it will no longer be means alive. Now from that very bad smell will come, so this also causes what, air pollution. Okay, so next is what there, that air pollution is very harmful, right? Air pollution is very harmful for the eyes also, and also these respiratory organs, that internal organs. Suppose one example I like to give is that, one example if I like to give is that, suppose somebody's house, okay, if caught has if caught fire, you may have often seen if somebody's house this fire has been caught, that person will be no, will become first senseless, the person will become sensitive. What is the reason of the sensitive is that the that the means the harmful gas, the harmful smoke, okay, that gas which is going directly with the help of the nose and the mouth, it is going to the respiratory organs, that is internal organs, to the heart, lungs, everywhere. As a result, our lungs and heart are full of smoke, we are unable to take the oxygen, we are unable to take the breathe. For that reason, what will happen, that as a result, that it causes the problem to us. Okay, next you see, the impurities in the air lead to the increase in the asthma and also the bronchial problems. So there will be no now if the impurities in the air will be there, if the air will be impure, what will happen, you will be facing like lungs problem, heart diseases. Okay, if the impurities of the disease will be there, if the air will not be impure, then we will face heart disease also. Okay, then also you will face what, you know, that there will be damage to the lungs also. Okay, acid rain can seriously damage water, soil, forests, and also have a bad effects on the human health. So what does the acid rain do? Acid rain damages everything. Now you may think, what is acid rain, right? Because the word acid is raining or what? No, actually acid rain is what, you know, whenever these factories, okay, one example again, one I'm giving is that whenever these factories are means releasing their smoke. Okay, okay, you means leave the factories. I will say about the firecrackers. Okay, take example of the firecrackers after Diwali. Okay, after Diwali, on Diwali, you see we are means burning huge amount of the firecrackers on the Diwali, especially on this that occasion. Okay, on that day we are burning so many amount of the firecrackers. As a result, the smoke goes where? The smoke goes up of the sky, up of the sky. As a result, there it will take the shape of the clouds. Yes, it will take the shape of the clouds. Now clouds are here, now the smoke is here. Whenever there will be rain, the smoke and the cloud will get mixed together and it will fall on the ground, and it will destroy the plants, humans body, skin also. As a result, you will get irritation, itching. Okay, you will get rashes, red rashes you will get. Also there will be cancer also, it can become. Okay, so there are causes many problems, so we should be very careful from the acid rain. You may have seen that your umbrella, what umbrella you are using during the rain time, it is losing the color. If black color umbrella is there, it will start to fade the color. Okay, if suppose you can say your red color umbrella is there, it starts to fade the color. Why? Because due to the acid rain, heat of the sun, due to these kind of things. Okay, next is that another effect of the air pollution is the smoke. A combination of the smoke is a fog. Okay, when this, you know, this I told already, then when you burn the firecracker, this smoke goes to the up. Now smoke is here and the clouds are here. You can see me, I think so. Smoke is here and the clouds are here in the up. When this rain will fall, then it will take the smoke and the rain, it will fall on the ground. As a result, it will destroy the crops. Yes, it is a type of a mixture of the smoke and the water. Okay, next, the polluted air can increase the levels of the carbon dioxide in the resulting in the global warming and climate change. When this pollution, will become, what will become, then it can cause us air pollution also. Climate change will become, okay, you see, we'll feel very hot also. Nowadays we are feeling so, yes, because all of these are becoming due to the air pollution. Okay, water pollution causes us many problems like dysentery, diarrhea, cholera, typhoid. Okay, this kind of problems we are getting. Also some fevers also you can get become. So the polluted air increases the levels of the carbon dioxide in the air, resulting in global warming and climate change. In global warming and climate change also, pollution is playing the main role. Okay, whenever the air gets polluted, the Earth's heat cannot be escape from the atmosphere, gets trapped inside. When the air gets polluted, what happens? This are, you know, whenever the, suppose take a ball. Okay, for example, I will say, take a ball and put inside lots amount of the suppose air only, or you can say use one more example. If you don't understand ball example, take a balloon. Okay, take a balloon. When you are trying to blow up the balloon, trying to make the balloon big, okay, will the air will come out? Will the air will come out if you tie the balloon? No. So art is a type of balloon only. We are making the pollution here. Yes, we are making the pollution here. So where the pollution will go? It will be inside of the earth only. No. As a result, it will harm us. Yes, as a result, it will harm us. That is only what is written here. Okay, that is why the earth gets warmer now. Now the temperature is also changing. When we are polluting the means environment, then the pollution is changing, means the temperature is changing. We are getting some kind of like unnatural thing. That is why phenomenon is like greenhouse effect, and this leads to global warming and long run. When this temperature will change, what will happen? The greenhouse effect will come. As a result, the global warming, the melting of the ice will be there. Okay, the ice will be melted. Okay, global warming is leading to some of the unwanted changes in the world's climate. So the global warming is leading one of the major factor of changing the earth's temperature. You may think of the word, what is global warming? Global warming means an increasing gases like carbon dioxide, than methane in the atmosphere, which trap the heat from the sun and thereby increasing the Earth's atmosphere. This is meaning of the global warming. Whenever the other gases which is not required, okay, these quantities are becoming more. This leads to the global warming. Next, students, we can see is that the next year that our topic is noise pollution. Okay, our topic is noise pollution. Noise pollution, also known as a sound pollution. You see, firecrackers, some of the people like to do in nowadays, people like to do the noise pollution a lot. If you go in the traffic, if you go in bazaar, lots of noise pollution you can hear, right? If you go in bazaar, lots of noise pollution. Even maybe some neighbors of you, or maybe you only like to hear the music, listen the music with a loud voice. Okay, you like to listen the music very loud voice, you will play the music and you will dance. But as a result, in your neighbor, some person, suppose a patient is there, he will get problem. Yes, we should understand this thing. This is causing some damages also, especially in some hospitals. Okay, when you go to the hospitals, they will not allow you to talk. They will tell you to stay silent. Why? Because the patient is getting disturbance, because they are taking rest. With the help of the medicine, the doctors is allowing them to sleep. And if you talk, then they will get up. As a result, they will face problem. They will face pain because maybe their body is cut it. Okay, but that's what it is written here. Next is what noise pollution we are discussing. That noise pollution happens when the harmful and irritating sound disturb the balance and regular activities of the animals and the humans. When this you see, at the night, at the daytime, the humans are doing noise pollution, right? We are doing noise pollution in bazaar. If you go, then you listen. Okay, at the night time, who is doing the noise pollution? You know, the animals, especially the dog on the road, standing and barking and not giving, allowing us to sleep. Yes, so the we can take from this example is that both the human and the animals do the noise pollution. Okay, they are not allowing us to sleep. One example, if I say use that, while I was sleeping that day, okay, my near to my door means window, at night 2 o'clock, dog was coming and barking in such a way I was not able to sleep. Okay, the condition was like that. I was chasing the dog, again the dog was coming and Again, the dog was started barking. As a result, whole night I did not sleep. So this is, this is causing the disturbances in the environment. Also, the neighbor people were also not able to sleep. See what kind of disturbance it comes. So noise pollution are caused by the humans also, and also by the what called animals also. Okay. Vehicles while blowing their horn also it causes noise pollution. Running trains can lead us to the noise pollution. Loud music can also be regarded as a source of noise pollution. Okay, I told you. Okay, noise pollution can lead to the people losing their sense of hearing. Some people may become senseless also. Okay, if you shout so much near going their near ears, then they will become what? They cannot hear. They will become a deaf. Okay, they will become deaf. Okay, then it can also have a bad effect on heart, blood pressure also can become. Okay, people may die also in this case. Okay, by getting stroke or something. Insomnia or loss of sleep is an effect after effect of the noise pollution. People, when if you are lots of the noise are coming, you will be unable to sleep. Okay, as a result, your health will not become okay. Okay, you will feel like you will be feeling like I will sleep. When you go to sleep, again you will listen noise. Can you sleep that time? No, you cannot sleep in this case. In that case, you will get lots of disturbances. As a result, noise pollution will harm you. Okay. Then any sound that is over 90 decibels is harmful for the ears. Normal sound for the ears is 20 decibels. So any sound which is harmful for means more than 90 decibels is harmful for ears. Noise pollution should be, it should be like 20 decibels, which we can hear it very clearly. Protecting our environment. Okay, the topic is left, that is protecting our environment. The most important reason for saving the environment is that we depend on for our survival. This is a very most important topic. For that reason, we should think of means protecting our environment. You see, some people are there, they're destroying the plants, they're cutting down the plants unnecessarily without they are not need also, but they will cut, because then if they will cut, then the place will look very clean, beautiful. But what they are doing, they are destroying the environment. Okay, all these are different forms of the depend upon the trees perish well, or else they will migrate. Otherwise, what they will do, some people are like this also. They are cutting the trees, they are taking the trees, and they are going in another place and they are leaving. Okay, as a result, they are doing what? They are means spoiling the environment. Yes. Also, there are the cutting of the trees leading to what? There is the birds, where the birds will stay. If the trees will not be there, where the birds will stay. As a result, the birds die. Okay, some of the birds became vanish only, became extinct. So these are the basic necessities when the damaging of the environment are basically harmful for us. On way in which we can save our means environment is the focusing on the three things, is that reduction, reusing, and recycling. We see reduce the use of the things like cutting of the trees. Okay, means whatever, like paper is there. Okay, now paper is there, after using that you can reuse this paper. Okay, with the help of some chemicals they will make one new paper again. Okay, again recycle they will do. Okay, recycle means from whatever the thing it is, they will just use it, they will wash it with the help of proper treatment. They will make proper and they will use it back. Okay, so recycling is the process where the waste materials are a process to create a new products. Example of the such waste are metallic cans, paper, and glassware are there. We also use a lot of the things that cannot be used more than once. However, when we dispose them, a significant amount of waste is generated. So this can be prevented by using things that can be used time again. This is called the principle of reduce and reuse. Whenever you reduce the use of the things again, once things, if you use the thing again and again, okay, that is called what? Recycling. Okay, students, I have explained this chapter. I hope that you understood the explanation of the chapter. If you have doubt or something, you can ask me directly, or in the online classes also you can ask me. I hope you are required to learn the word power of the chapter. I'll show you the animation in the next class, and that over, then I can give you the question answers of this chapter. So students, I hope that you will study well. Till then, take care. Thank you. Bye bye everyone.